Rocket de los Santos will be jumping again tomorrow with international team. So see you all tomorrow.
Ladies and gentlemen, you heard it. Our national champion, Rocket de los Santos, will be joining tomorrow the World Pole Vault Challenge. Before I let you go, reaction muna.
First of all, I would like to sincerely thank everyone, Ayala for organizing this event, organizing committee, and Queen Juliana for bringing all these champions or big names in the whole ball team. We really appreciate. It really means a lot to us champion, pole vaulters. And thank you.